Now to the latest trend that's sweeping the internet.
Called NFT.
They're now selling for huge bucks.
69 million.
What's behind this latest craze?
That is the question to ask.
There's this thing really making waves online right now, and I'm very sure you must have heard about it. Recently, Twitter just rolled out an update that allows users post their NFT as their profile picture. I mean, Twitter is one of the biggest social media network out there, and they just rolled out this update, which is really amazing. The former CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, sold his first tweet, the first tweet he made on Twitter. Probably when he created Twitter, the first tweet he made, he sold this tweet for $2.9 million US. Yeah, above $2.9 million US. Can't remember the figures right now exactly. But he sold his first tweet, which is really amazing, right? I mean, like, I can really sell my tweet. The sports communities are making use of short videos and putting it out there and making a lot of money from this stuff. Recently, a kid from Asia made $1 million US, like roughly $1 million US from selling his selfies.
You guys are getting paid?
I mean, selling your selfies. We probably sometimes we just make selfies and put it out there just for the social media likes and engagement. And there's someone making huge amounts of money from just selling selfies. So putting out these selfies to put out for free. Someone is making a lot of money from it. Like, there are so many people, celebrities are getting into this space, tapping into this business. From Jack to Nima the footballer to Paris Hilton to Eminem. There are a lot of them that are tapping into this business, and it's wide. It's bigger than what you're thinking right now. Trust me, it's bigger than what you're thinking right now. And if you can get your hands on this, then you should. Everyone of you should. Come on, every one of you should. And yes, this is financial advice. Yes, it is. It's financial advice. It's a financial advice. Okay. So if you can get your hands on this, it's really amazing. It's big. It's bigger than what you're thinking right now. It's bigger than what you're thinking. And all this boils down to just 3 letters: NFT. That's it. I know you must have heard about that, about NFT a couple of times out there. People talk about NFT. In this video today, I'll be telling you guys what NFT means, and I'll be showing you how to create your first NFT and also make money from this. If you're new to this channel, I really make easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on post notification. Okay. And I'll also advise you to stick to this video till the end if you really want to know what NFT means and learn how to make money from NFT. But probably maybe just putting out your selfies out there, or any nice piece of work that you own, just putting it out there and making money and just flipping it to make money from it. I mean, it's really amazing. Yesterday I saw on the news that a 12-year-old kid from UK made, is it $400,000? I think $400,000 by selling his NFTs online, by just probably selling some piece of work that he probably made, and most of us might see it as useless, but he sold it for over $400,000. I mean, that's a lot of money. My neighbor's dog is really barking at that. I think we'll just go with it. So before we begin, I would like to tell you guys what NFT means. NFT, it means non-fungible token. That's it. Non-fungible token. So the video ends here. No, it's like I said, it's bigger than what you're thinking. So let's break down what non-fungible token means. Okay, I don't need to explain that. Fungible, maybe not really self-explanatory, but let's just use the word replaceable in the place of fungible. Okay, it's the same thing, like replaceable. Now NFT are digital assets. Now, the non, we're replacing the word fungible with replaceable now. Okay, yeah, what am I saying? We're replacing the word fungible with replaceable now. Now, we say it this way: non-replaceable token. I mean, these are things online that you just have one copy of it, just one. There's no replica. It's just one of it. Like let's think of a good example, like the photo of Mona Lisa. Yes, that's a very nice one. The photo of Mona Lisa. We just have one piece here, right? It's not replaceable. And if there is something that the human brain values so much, it's something that can't be replaced. So you see where I'm going with this? You understand now? But there's more to this, so stick to this video. There is more to this. Okay, so now these people are putting out their artwork out there and making loads of money from it because they just have one piece of it and it's not replaceable, so they value it so much and they put it out there to make money from it. Now you can't replace this stuff, so I hope you're getting a clear idea of where this is going. Non-replaceable token, you know what token is, right? Something we often exchange for, maybe token of appreciation. Okay, that's not a good example, but fine, let's go with that. So this is what this thing means: non-replaceable token. NFT are made up of art, music, PDF, and a whole bunch of cool other stuffs. Okay, so like I said, fungible, making use of the word replaceable, they're the same meaning. So that means non-replaceable token, which is self-explanatory here. I believe we're on the same page now. Okay, so even if you had no idea about what NFT means, with this little explanation you're able to get in your head what it means. They are just digital assets, those are not replaceable. You just have one copy of them, you can't replace them. Okay, they are just one copy of it. And I gave you an example of the photo of Mona Lisa. Which other example are we going to use? That's the only thing I can think of right now. So so that's that on it. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to create your own NFT. So I'll be switching the camera shortly to my desktop screen to show you guys step by step how to create your own NFT and make money from it. I'll be making use of OpenSea. I know that there are a bunch of other NFT marketplaces that you can use, but for the course of this video, we'll be making use of OpenSea. Okay, so like I said, stick to this video till the end if you want to learn how to create your NFT and also make money from it. Okay, I'll teach you everything you need to do. So guys, first and first, if you want to create your NFT, like I said earlier, we'll be making use of OpenSea for the course of this video. So what you will need to do, you will need the MetaMask and OpenSea. That's the two stuff we'll be using. So I've already added my MetaMask here. I've already added it as an extension of Chrome, and I've created and I've linked it to my OpenSea account already. As you can see, it's linked already. So when you come here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on create. Now we're trying to create the MetaMask. It's coming up, so we're going to click on sign in. That's linking our MetaMask with the OpenSea. This MetaMask is like a wallet, so we're going to link it with the OpenSea. Let it load. So this is the page it's going to bring us to. As you can see, it creates new item, image, video, audio, or 3D model. Like I mentioned earlier, I told you guys that and NFT is made up of lots of cool stuffs. Okay, so now this is where you're going to upload a picture. Here, what you want to upload, you upload it here, right here. So let's click on it and find a nice image and just make use of. Okay, let's come to download section. I think I have a bunch of images here, so let's make use of this one. Click on it, let it open. As you can see, as you can see, has uploaded. Okay, so here we have to name it. We have to name this image. Let's say what are we going to name it? Nature, or let's say water. All right, or better still, let's say boats on water. Okay, so let's just make use of boats on water. I took this picture yesterday. External link. Here you can put a link. You put a link to, let's say you want to sell it, you can put a link to a particular website where you maybe you spoke about a particular NFT, or maybe made a very concrete description detailing everything about this very NFT you're trying to upload. Here is the description. If you're trying to sell this, description is very, very important. Make sure you write out a very, very nice description. It should make sense, so that if someone that wants to buy comes here and looks at it, the person will get a detail everything the person needs to know about this very NFT that you're uploading. So let's just see, for the course of this video, just use water for now, because we're not because this is just for the video, this is just for practical. But if you're doing this, make sure you get a very concrete description for it. So collection, we don't have a collection yet, but I will show you guys. Or better still, to create collection, it's not that difficult. Just go to your profile, click on this collection, and to give you an option to create a collection, so you can just easily add it there when you upload your NFT. It's like a folder, so you can just easily add it there when you upload your NFT. Supply, just leave it at 1. The blockchain, of course, Ethereum, leave it at Ethereum. Then now come down and click on create. Now it's processing, so we're going to let it load. Boats, you just created a boat on water, and dang, our NFT is ready. This is everything you need to do. No big deal. This is all you need to do. So now, this is probably everything you need to do about creating of NFT. All right, here you can see it has the price history, the listing, all time, and all that. But we don't have anything here yet, because this is just a new NFT that we just listed, and there's no price history, nothing. It's still very, very new. So that's that on how to create NFT and also make money from it. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for sticking to the end. For those who made it, thank you for sticking to the end. So that's how to create your NFT and also make money from it. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to flip NFT and make money from it. I mean, just buy NFT for little token and sell it for higher price. Okay, so you guys should look forward to my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit like this video, subscribe to this channel, also turn on the post notification so you will get my video as soon as the next one drops. Okay, and drop a comment if you have any question, if you need, if you're confused about something and you need maybe further explanation, you can just drop a comment and I will try to reply everybody as much as possible. Like I always do, try to reply the comments, so make sure you just drop a comment and I'll make sure I reply you and get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.